In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Fusion 360 offset face error, why it happens, and the quickest ways to get your model working again without breaking your design. If you've ever tried to push or pull a face and Fusion throws an error, you're not alone. This is one of the most common issues beginners and even experienced users run into. And don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot it step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Fusion 360 tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. So first, what is the offset face error? This happens when Fusion 360 can't move a face inward or outward because doing so would create invalid geometry. In simple terms, the software is trying to protect your model from breaking. Now let's look at the most common causes. The first big cause is using an offset distance that's too large. When you push a face too far, it can collide with other parts of the model or collapse into itself. This is especially common on thinner parts or tight designs. Next is complex geometry. If your model has curved surfaces, sharp corners, or very small faces, Fusion struggles to calculate a clean offset. These areas are more sensitive and can easily fail. Another common issue is connected features breaking. Things like fillets and chamfers are attached to edges, and when you offset a face, those features can interfere or become impossible to maintain. Now let's fix it step by step. First, reduce the offset distance. Instead of applying a large value right away, start small and increase gradually. This helps you find a limit before the geometry breaks. Second, try selecting fewer faces. Instead of offsetting a large group, work on one face at a time. This makes it much easier to identify exactly which area is causing the problem. Third, remove or suppress interfering features. Go into your timeline and temporarily disable fillets or chamfers. Once the offset is successful, you can reapply them afterward. Fourth, simplify your model. Look for tiny edges, unnecessary details, or overly complex shapes. Cleaning these up can make a huge difference and allow the offset to work smoothly. Here's a quick tip to remember. Offset face errors almost always happen when the geometry can't be pushed or pulled without creating overlaps or invalid shapes. So whenever you see this error, think about what might be colliding, collapsing, or overcomplicating the design. And that's it. You now know how to diagnose and fix offset face errors in Fusion 360 quickly and effectively. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.